Directions: watch the bowling clip. If you think it will be a strike, do the exercise on the left. If you think no strike, do the exercise on the right.
I got the bowling ball blue. When I first started bowling, just a spare was great, and my score looked good at 108. And they said if I practiced, I could raise my game. So I practiced and I practiced, but I still bowl the same. I got the bowling ball blue.
I like to go bowling with my friend Bert, with my bowling ball and my bowling shirt. I like to roll the ball down the lane. On a good day, I'll throw a few strikes, maybe some spares, that's what I...
Rolling down the alley with pretty playful Sally. Rolling down the alley, bowling Sally and me. We bowl away our daily blues when we tie on those bowling shoes. Rolling down the alley, my Sally and me. Rolling down the alley, anticipating tally. Rolling
And he was to show me how, cause I ain't never been. And the first thing he done was get us two pair of them red and green slippers they call bowling shoes.